Add half cup of Schweppes into 1 cup of flour. You will be amazed and you will be glad that you did. Honestly, this recipe is mind-blowing and it tastes super amazing. I would like you to follow me. Let me show you how this recipe turned out, and believe me, it was super yummy. First, you start by measuring out 120 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour or cake flour. You can also use cake flour if you have that. Then you add in 50 grams of margarine or butter. After adding these two, you'll be going in with some Schweppes drink. Yes, so you'll be going in with some non-alcoholic Schweppes drinks. You're going to be using half cup or 85 grams of this Schweppes drink. So you add that into the flour. After adding the Schweppes into the flour, then you go in with some sugar, just 20 grams of sugar into this. Add in half teaspoon of baking powder. Add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1 large egg, about 80 grams or 75 grams whole egg, whichever size. Just adding your whole egg into this, and you go ahead and combine or mix everything very well. So once your butter has turned out this way, so smooth, you're going to be adding your flavor. For this particular recipe, I used strawberry flavor because of this particular Schweppes that I used has a kind of pink color, so I decided to use strawberry flavor for this recipe. So once my butter has combined or is thoroughly combined just this way, the next thing you're going to do is to transfer this butter into a grease baking pan. So I used my 4 inches round pan. I transfer the butter into the pan. Make sure I tap the pan on your work surface till you ease out air and also level out this butter. Then the next thing is to pop this into your preheated oven and bake at 150 degrees C for 50 minutes, and you have this amazing, delicious, moist tea cake. You can use this to take your juice. You can even use it to still take the Schweppes and you can even use it to take your beverage. Yes, for your breakfast, for your lunch, as a snack. You can eat this anytime, any day. I hope you love this recipe and you are definitely going to give it a try. And please, when you do, let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you.